देखिए, in Deepavali festival, what was the general tradition? That there was a lamp, oil lamp. Many oil lamps were there. It was tradition to put the oil lamp, glowing stage, in all homes, around the trees, around the field, wherever you belong. If you are having 10-acre land, then you have to put the oil lamp in glowing stage on the land. If you are having 100 trees, you have to put the oil glowing lamp under tree. If you are having 10 rooms in the house, then you have to put that glowing deepak, candle, lamp in each room. This is the tradition. And this become ritual. Therefore it become little just emotional gathering, nothing else. Real Deep Malika is when you reduce distance between negative and positive, then you will find a time will come that when you start experiencing glowing condition, what is that glowing condition? You will feel tremendous potential, power, knowledge, peace. You will realize there is no tiredness. You will realize there is no illness, sickness. You will realize sorrowness disappears. And in our body, this forehead point is positive center. When turn eyes upward, keep eyes closed and look here, concentrate on this point, Bhrumadhya, then you will find various colors, black color, blue color, yellow color, so many colors. Keep on concentrating on that. At the same time, feel head to toes. All changes within. Whatever changes you feel, heaviness, lightness, pain, pleasure, comfort, discomfort, warm and cold, try to feel it. And what you are feeling within head to toes, that is the negative point. And what you are concentrating here, that is positive point. Then keep on concentrating on both same time. Concentration on Bhrumadhya and concentration on different parts of head to toes, appreciating all changes, that is negative. Then you will find slowly, distance between negative, positive is reducing. Just keep on practicing. A time will come that you will feel that all scriptures are awakened. You feel complete knowledge of Jesus and Krishna, complete knowledge of Lahiri Maharaj and Babaji. Now you have started glowing it. This is called Deep Malika festival, how we celebrate. Then we realize each and every part is nothing but glowing knowledge. And there is a row, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row. Then all become the 1 row again. Then this big row, there is all the rows of awakened lamp, glowing. Malika means deep, Deepavali. Deep means called glowing lamp. Avali means line, rows. Then concentrate on head to toes. You will find that there are millions and millions of rows of the glowing light, that is the awakened knowledge. Then try to get that knowledge more and more. Then what knowledge you will get? Oh, you are the trees. Trees are not different than us. Our one form is the form of the trees and plants and animals, mountains, ocean, lake. Then when you will see each other, oh, head to toes, what I feel this alone. No, it is not alone. It is manifesting in the form of all. And you will find that this is manifesting in the form of all. Then you will have no any problem of any kind. But first you have to practice within head to toes. Never have reasoning power that, oh, I love my child. God has become child. Okay, I can't concentrate. Then I am concentrating it. Oh, I am just patting the child. I am caring it. You will never find God realization in this. You will get little bit relief and peace, little bit joy and comfort in doing that. But realization that you have become the whole universe. As God has become the whole universe, then you have become the whole universe. Moment you realize this, then we can say, I and God are one, Aham Brahmasmi. Therefore, when I go to the Canada and America and many places, after the class, they don't hug in the class wherever I am, because I have formatted that nobody will hug each other because they get illusion. When his wife and some other husband hugging each other, they appreciate each other, they forget their wife. Then you will find the divorce is increasing number. Why? Because of the hugging each other and looking into the eyes. Never look into the eyes. Look at the forehead point. What they are teaching in the colleges. Look into the eyes. When teacher is teaching, never do that. Always look into the forehead point. You will have never illusion. Forget the color of the face. Forget the color of the body. Forget the whole structure. Never try to concentrate on anywhere else. Otherwise you will get illusion. Always concentrate here on the forehead point. Therefore, I realized when in North America I give the classes, after that, and they go in party here and there, they hug each other with the concept, oh, God has become frozen consciousness. When I figured out, not in here in India they have started doing in the big cities, Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay. But in other places, other countries, when they practice Kriya Yoga meditation, okay, God has become all. When they meet in the party, they hug each other with this thought, God has become all, and they create lot of problem among this society. But remember, what is the most important? Never have any thought and idea. You are going to feel reality, truth, on any external creation. Though it is true, God has become earth, but keep on holding the earth. You will never become realized master. It will take million years. Therefore, concentrate on head to toes. Feel head to toes more and more. Very quickly you will reach to that stage. Then you can transfer your consciousness for a short period to anyone else, if they are ready. Otherwise their body will be like burning in fire. Therefore never have this illusion in future. Concentrate on head to toes. Feel more and more. Reduce distance between negative and positive. You will find that each and every part is glowing omniscient consciousness. It is glowing omnipotent consciousness. Eternal peace has become this. Everything, eternal joy has become this. After this realization, you can spread this message. You must know that Tulsidas ji started writing Ramcharitmanas when he was 76 years. He never tried to write quickly anything. And that scripture, Ramcharitmanas, is one of the greatest scripture on this earth, like autobiography of Yogi, like Vedas, like Mahabharata, like Bible. But he started writing when he was 76, when he realized that head to toes what I feel is presence of God, and he realized all are presence of God, then he started writing. You cannot imagine. When I touch one verse of the Ramcharitmanas, I feel giddiness of joy. Therefore, practice head to toes, then you will find that all are the lamp of knowledge, lamp of peace and joy, all are the lamp of ultimate reality and truth. Then you will find you are well contented each and every moment. Now, no, India is going to change. I have already declared this program will change. It is not that what next election will come, they will change. Never. This program is going to change India, and I am going to spread it in each home. When India will change, the all world will change. All countries will change. You have to concentrate on head to toes, accept God has become this, nothing else. Therefore, what I have decided, for example, Krishna, he doesn't need other education so many. If he will be trained from the now, within few years he will be realized master. He doesn't need to learn all those teachings, what is being taught here or anywhere else. Kabir never learned. Nobody learned. Whatever we are teaching, if he will get that exactly in that way, in few years, he will start speaking it, then I need not to go anywhere out of India. This is one example I am going to show him. I am going to cut his classes, most of the classes, regular. He will be around me most of the time, learning this, learning this. Then you will find that how big transformation appears. This is called the brief message, how to celebrate Deepavali festival in reality. Now we are going to practice first, then I will explain detail in Hindi.